Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will explore the functionality of unselecting various parameters in LOGIC ERP after saving an item. We'll specifically focus on unselecting the company, shades, pack sizes, group 10, and other groups. This process is essential for ensuring that your item management is both streamlined and efficient. Let's dive in by heading to the Setup Items Shade Size Wise section. Here you will find the configuration for this feature. Click to open the configuration. From here, you can decide which fields data you want to remove after the item is saved. Let's unselect the company, shades, packs, group 10 and groups after save. Next, proceed by creating an item to observe the functionality of this setting. After saving the item, you will observe that all details have been deselected in accordance with the configuration. This clearly demonstrates the effective operation of the option.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.